Trump forced into silence by a New York appeals court. Yes, you heard that right. Former President Donald Trump has been slapped in the face by a New York appeals court upholding the gag order imposed on him by the biased judge Juan Merchan. What's the deal with this gag order, and why is Trump calling it unlawful? Get ready, guys and gals, because we're going to talk about this political drama. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we are the antidote to the radical woke Marxist propaganda. It's me, Rich, your cultural defender, and today we're talking about something that's really as un-American as it gets. Imagine a former president being silenced during his own trial, but the prosecutors and witnesses can say whatever garbage they want with impunity. Yeah, that's right. Donald Trump has been assured by a New York appeals court that the gag order on him is necessary. They said nothing about the unfairness of only one side being hit with the gag order, which tells me that they are unindicted co-conspirators for interfering in the November election on behalf of their political home, the Democratic Party. So what's all the fuss about? Well, Trump's trial in Manhattan for election interference just got a lot quieter. The appeals court decided he can't make public comments about witnesses except for Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg, and even prosecutors and jurors are off limits, and witnesses. That sounds fair, right? Here's what the appellate court said in its ruling, quote, "We find that Justice Merchan properly weighed petitioners' First Amendment rights against the court's historical commitment to ensuring the fair administration of justice in criminal cases and the right of persons related or tangentially related to the criminal proceedings from being free from threats, intimidation, harassment, and harm." It went on to say, Justice Merchan properly determined that petitioners' public statements posed a significant threat to the integrity of the testimony of witnesses and potential witnesses in this case as well. Apparently, witnesses like Michael Cohen can go out and trash Trump on social media, but Trump now legally can't respond. Normally, both sides would be gagged, but not in this circus. Guys, so now we have an appeals court joining the fray, making sure the election interference sham continues. Everyone involved knows this trial is bogus, yet they pushed forward. The charges? Way past the statute of limitations. But hey, who cares about legalities when you're out to get Trump, right? And let's not forget the prosecution's star witness, Michael Cohen, a convicted perjurer. The media glosses over this little detail like it's no big deal. Imagine that, relying on a perjurer's testimony over a bookkeeping error about reimbursement payments made to a lawyer for legal services rendered to bring down a former president. In every state and every country, that is called a legal expense, and that's how it was listed. Trump's calling the gag order unlawful. He told reporters, quote, "You ask me questions, I'm not allowed to respond." That's classic Trump, right? He's been fined for breaching this gag order multiple times already. 11 infractions and counting. Guys, think about the reality here. Everyone involved in this trial knows and understands that it is bogus at best, and what they are doing is probably criminal. They know that the charges have run out the statute of limitations, but they went forward anyway. They know that reimbursing a lawyer for services rendered is considered a legal expense, yet they are charging Trump with doctoring paperwork for the reimbursements to Michael Cohen for legal services rendered. Everything they are doing is to stop Trump from being able to campaign in a presidential election and to harm him publicly. And what is so mind-boggling is that these bad actors, from the prosecutors and witnesses to the judge himself, know that everyone knows what they are doing is wrong, but they don't care. Not a one of them cares. They have to know because they see Trump's popularity rising throughout the trial. The judge told him he couldn't leave New York because he had to be there every day for the trial. And when he went out to campaign inside New York, he was treated with a hero's welcome. They have to know. The bad actors must feel protected, and they are protected. Who is going to bring them to justice? The FBI? Don't make me laugh. The Biden DOJ? Again, don't make me laugh. On the New York side, Letitia James? She's the commie who started all of this and got Alvin Bragg to reverse his earlier decision to not pursue the case because besides there being no crime, it was unwinnable. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and get ready because the culture war rages on.
Rise above elevate higher. Never give up, fulfill my desires. Through success and